Hello and welcome everyone to your first math lesson for this semester. My name is Teacher Aart and I'm going to be teaching you maths during these online courses for the next 5 weeks. Our first topic is a basic review of something you should know already. So let's get started. Today's topic is the order of operations. Before I explain to you what that means, I'd like you guys just to get your brains working after your long holiday and have a go at these 5 questions. When you're ready, pause the video, try to calculate the answers, and when you're finished, play the video and I'll go through the answers with you. Okay, so the answer for the first question is 13. The answer for the second one was 5. Third one was 7. Fourth one is 4. And the last one was 7. Did you get those right? If so, good job. Today's topic is probably going to be pretty easy for you. If not, don't worry. Just pay attention during the next few minutes, and at the end of the lesson, you'll be able to get the correct answers. As you guys know, in math, we use a number of different symbols, like the plus sign for addition, the minus sign for subtraction, multiplication, division, brackets, and exponents. These are all called operations. Have a look at this equation, and I want you guys to think about where we start with this question. Do we start at the 10 and work our way to the right, so left to right, or do we start over here and work our way back to the left, or do we start with some special symbols first? That is, in what order do we perform the operations? And that is where the name of our topic comes from, the order of operations. To help us with that, we use the acronym BEDMAS. That tells us what we should do first, and then second, and third, and fourth. Okay, so the B in BEDMAS stands for brackets. So we always do the brackets first in an equation. The second thing we do is the exponents. The third thing we do is division or multiplication, starting from the left to the right. And then we do addition and subtraction, also starting from the left and going to the right. So let's have a look at that equation again. And let's use BEDMAS to help us to get the answer. So the B stands for brackets, so we start with our brackets. 3 minus 1 is 2. Everything else stays the same. We only do our brackets in the first step. The second step is the exponent, that power of 3. This means 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So then we have 10 plus 8 plus 2 minus 4 times 3. The next thing we have to do is division and multiplication, starting from the left and moving to the right. We don't have any division or multiplication until the end here where we have multiplication. So we do 4 times 3, which is 12. And our final step is addition and subtraction, starting from the left and moving to the right. So 10 plus 8 is 18, plus 2 is 20, minus 12 is 8. Okay, so I want you guys to have a try at these questions again if you got the answers wrong the first time, and try using BEDMAS to help you. So when you're ready again, pause the video, take a few seconds or minutes, to get the answers. And when you're ready, click play, and I'll go through the answers with you. Okay, so I hope it was a bit easier the second time using BEDMAS. Let's look at number 1. We have 5 plus 4 times 2. So the first part of BEDMAS is brackets, but we don't have brackets here. So we jump to the next step, which is exponents. But we also don't have exponents, so we skip that step too. The next step is multiplication or division, and we do have a multiplication there. So 4 times 2 is 8, and then we say 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Let's look at number 2. We have 10 minus, and in brackets, 2 plus 3. The B in BEDMAS stands for brackets, so that's the first thing we do. 2 plus 3 is 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Number 3, we don't have any brackets, so we skip that step. And then we start with our multiplication and division, going from left to right. So our first one here is multiplication. 2 times 2, which is 4. And then we have division here. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we have 8 minus 4 plus 3, which is 7. Next one. Here we have 2 brackets. We can do either one first. It doesn't matter which order you do them in. So let's just go from left to right. 4 minus 2 is 2. And 6 divided by 3 is also 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. And our final one here, we don't have any brackets or exponents, so we skip those first 2 steps, and we start with division and multiplication from the left to the right. Our first one is a division here, so 10 divided by 2 is 5. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 2 times 4 is 8. So we have 5 plus 8 minus 6, which is 7. Okay, I hope today's lesson has helped you guys. If you have any questions, you'll be able to call in on Friday during the office hours. So please don't be scared if you don't understand something. Please call during the office hours on Friday to ask me any questions. Okay, I hope you guys have a great week, and I hope to hear from you guys on Friday. Bye-bye.